Welcome to DVK Central Library. I am going to introduce the famous philosopher from the Philosophical Gallery. I am very happy to stand before you to present a 19th century great philosopher as well as idealist named Arthur Schopenhauer. Arthur Schopenhauer came into the world on February 22, 1788 at Danzig in Poland, a city that had a long history in international trade as a member of the Hanseatic League. Schopenhauer was the son of wealthy merchant Heinrich Floris Schopenhauer and his wife Johanna, who later became famous for his novels essays. In 1793, when Danzig came under Prussian sovereignty, they moved into the free city of Hamburg. His philosophy and education. He was a German philosopher, often called the philosopher of pessimism. The word pessimism, on one hand, a tendency to see the worst aspect of things or believe that the worst will happen. On other hand, it is a belief which says that this world is as bad as it could be or that will ultimately prevail over good. Schopenhauer's philosophy also stands in the contrast with his contemporaries insofar as his system remains virtually unchanged from its first articulation in the first edition of The World as Will and Representation. Schopenhauer's thought is critic for a number of reasons. He is also known as the first German philosopher to incorporate Eastern thought into his writings. Schopenhauer was an atheist who stayed outside the academic profession. In the fall of 1809, he matriculated as a student of medicine at the University of Göttingen and mainly attended lectures on the natural sciences. He secured PhD in illustrious gymnasium from Goethe University of Göttingen in 1830. In 1820, Schopenhauer was awarded permission to be the lecturer at the University of Berlin. What is Arthur Schopenhauer famous for? He is known as the philosopher of pessimism. Arthur Schopenhauer has been dubbed the artist philosopher on account of the inspiration his aesthetics has provided to artists of all stripes. Schopenhauer was an avid reader of the great stylists in England and France, and he tried to emulate their style in his own writings. He has written many books, among which I am presenting a few. The first, One Human Nature. Second, Basis of Morality. Third, Aphorismen zur Lebensweisheit. Fourth, Philosophical Writings. Fifth, The Essays of Arthur Schopenhauer, The Art of Literature. Sixth, The Wisdom of Life. Seventh, The World as Will and Representation. Eighth, The World as Will and Idea. Ninth, Essay on the Freedom of the Will. strength, the suffering of the world. His social influence. During this time, the actual impact and influence of Schopenhauer began to spread. By turning away from spirit and reason to the powers of intuition, creativity, and the irrational, his thought has affected authentically and powerfully the ideas and methods of vitalism, of life of philosophy, of existential philosophy, and anthropology. Within the German cultural realm, Schopenhauer's influence on music and literature brings to mind diverse names such as Richard, Wilhelm, Gerhard, Frank, and Thomas More. Since 1911, the Schopenhauer Society in Frankfurt Main has been dedicated to the study, exposition, and dissemination of Schopenhauer's philosophy. Arthur Schopenhauer died on September 21, 1816 at Free City of Frankfurt in Germany. Book review. The book Essay on the Freedom of Will, written by Arthur Schopenhauer, and it published in 1960 by the liberal Arts Press in New York. The book was edited by Konstantin Golenda. In this book, Schopenhauer comments through studying the simple ideas of freedom and self-consciousness. He asserted that there are three kinds of freedom, namely physical, intellectual, and moral. Through this book, Arthur conveyed his own idea of the freedom of will, and he says that virtue is something that cannot be taught. That predisposition to be good or evil is a product of one's genetic makeup. Every person reacts to reasons in their own manner. This is referred to as a character. This presentation was presented by Brother Anjal Portu CMI. Thanks for watching this video.